Now that the back office setup is ready, we can move to the POS and complete the first time login. In the previous video, we prepared the main setup from the back office, including the POS software, employee login credentials, register setup, and menu templates. Now let's open the POS and log in for the first time. Open the POS software on the register computer or POS terminal. Once the software opens, you will see the login screen. Over here, you will have to put in the back office credentials that you use to log into the back office. So the employee could use their own back office credentials or whichever credentials is handed over to them to access the back office. After entering the login credentials, the system may ask you to select the store. Choose the correct store from the list. This step is important because the POS needs to know which store location it is connecting to. Once the store is selected, continue forward. Next, select the register for this POS station. The register should already be created in the back office under Store POS Setup. For example, if this station is set up as POS-1, select that register. This connects the POS software to the correct register settings, tender options, hardware setup, and assigned menu template. Once the store and register are selected, continue with the login process. Now enter the POS username password. These credentials come from the employee profile in the back office under the legacy POS section. Make sure the username and password are entered correctly, then continue to the next step. The POS will now load the settings from the back office. This includes the menu templates, payment buttons, register options, and other setup that was assigned earlier. Give the system a moment to load everything properly. And that's it. You are now logged into the POS and your register is ready to use. From here, cashiers can begin ringing up sales, selecting items, applying payments, and using the available POS functions based on the setup completed in the back office. And that completes the first time POS login process. In the next video, we'll go over some of the best POS features, including key functions, offline modes, customer display, and how promotions or mix and match offers appear on the screen. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in our next one.